You've just been told you have cancer or that your cancer has come back. But there's hope. Medications that can treat it or help stem your symptoms. When you're ready to start your treatment, such as chemotherapy and immunotherapy, you're supposed to start within 15 working days. Hospitals have a target of treating over 90% of patients within this time. But the journal Investigates can report that hospitals are failing to consistently meet this target, with a shocking 10 hospitals not meeting it more than half the time between January 2023 and April 2025, when the latest data was available. That includes Letterkenny University Hospital behind me here, which never met the target during that time. Avril Power, CEO of the Irish Cancer Society, says this needs to urgently be addressed.
It's not just a delay, it can be life-altering. It risks the disease progressing, so either growing or spreading to other parts of the body. It worsens survival outcomes and it inflicts deep psychological harm on patients and their families. And that's why these figures must serve as a wake-up call to government.
Read the full story on thejournal.ie.